Yeah, no one else cares about hockey. Hockey's boring, no one likes hockey. Okay, here we go. How to write with negative exponents. Here we go. You know, this one is difficult, okay? So do not feel bad if you don't get this one initially, okay? So if you have a negative exponent in the denominator, in the numerator, you bring it to the denominator. Does someone want to guess what happens if you have a negative exponent in the denominator? What you do with it? Yes?
You bring the negative up first.
Bring it to the numerator, okay? So this is the same as 2 to the 4 times x cubed. Everyone see that, right? A negative exponent in the top changes to a positive in the bottom. A negative exponent in the bottom changes to a positive in the top. Okay, so you're just going to flip them to the top. I will demand of you to make positive exponents in this class. Okay, because I am major. You say it. You don't say it, you make it. Okay, you don't say it. You make it. So please don't say it, actually. Keep yours. Okay. Here we go. So we're going to do simplify. This is going to be a grade 9 level question. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to hit pause on the video. I want you guys to try that out. Do not worry about negatives until the last step. Your very last step is just to doing all the flipping. Don't do any flipping until the last step. Does that make sense? So treat it like regular variables, and then the very, very last step you can flip it. Okay. If you're said, I'm not quite sure, don't give up and say, I hate math, okay? Please never say that, okay? It's my job to challenge you guys. It's academic, okay? It's my job to make you think, scratch your head, okay? That's my job, all right? So, I can't remember where I stopped at, so I'm going to ask for a volunteer. Can someone be brave and do the numerator for me, please? I'm going to say Kaylee, is that right? Okay. Who doesn't want to do it, though? Somebody do, does somebody want to do the numerator? Emma, go.
3 plus 16x 12 minus negative 8.
Wonderful. Does someone else want to do the denominator for me, please? Natalie, go.
3 minus 6.
Go. Keep going. Yeah. Okay, now this is the part that everyone got to, and then the questions started creeping up, okay? Now, I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but I should have. You do not worry about the negatives until the very, very last step. Okay, so don't worry about flipping stuff until the very, very end. When you did it earlier, that's fine. Okay, but I do it on the very, very last step. So let's just deal with integers right now. 3 to the 16 divided by 3 to the negative 6 should equal what? Cassie, go ahead. 3 to the 22. Now she got that from 16 minus negative 6, right? So let me write that out for you if you need me to. Okay. So 16 minus negative 6. All right. Somebody else want to be brave? Jeffrey, and do the middle part for me. Go ahead.
X to the negative 6.
X to the negative 6. How'd you get that?
18. 12 minus 18.
X to 12 minus 18. Now this step is not necessary in here, but for people to see where it came from, I'm going to include it. Cassidy, go again. What's the last one going to be?
16.
Okay, then you get that face. So let's work together. So you did negative 8 minus 3, right? Okay, that's okay. But it should be negative 8 minus 3. Okay, so that should be negative 11. On 16. Now, please be brave and ask if you don't understand where those came from. Please be brave, because this is like the fundamental learning of today. It's right here on the board. Nate, that's a no? Okay, so what happened, Nate, was I just did the top for each one, minus the bottom. 16 minus negative 6, 12 minus 18, negative 8 minus 3.
Can I go for it? Where'd you get the... Okay. Now I got it.
You ready? Okay, now this is the very, very last step. Who wants to be brave with the negatives now? Chastity, you're out, sorry, you already answered. Lots, you're doing a good job. Somebody else will take over right now. Who wants to deal with the negatives? Anybody? Jeff, you answered lots too. Anyone else confident? I'll be here all day if not. Luke, go.
Okay, so 3 to the 22.
Yeah.
I put 1 over x to the 6.
Yes, you can do that. But I'm just going to do this.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? Because times 1 doesn't change anything. Okay? And what does the y to the 11 change to?
Like 1 over 1.
Y to the y to 11. Which is just going to be, because right, if these two are times by 1, that's fine, and that's not wrong. But times in something by 1 doesn't change anything, right? So I'm just going to ignore that, and that's not there. Just leave it like that. So all what happens, and I see Helena looking at me with a scrunchy up face, okay? All that happens if there's a negative, you just take it from the top and change it to positive and put it on the denominator. Because all that negative 6 means, x to negative 6 means there's 6 more x's in the denominator than there are in the numerator. That's all that x to negative 6 means. So if you bring it to the denominator, that means there's 6 in the denominator. Yes?
Yeah, but why did you like place it out like that? Like why is this 3 to the 20?
This is still in the numerator because this doesn't flip, right? Because this is still positive. Because that's positive, that stays in the top, okay, right? That's negative, that goes to the bottom, that's negative, that goes to the bottom, okay? So at least be able to get to here. If this is tripping you up, you can deal with that in the next few days. I want to make sure everyone can at least get to here by themselves. No problem tonight. Okay, that's my goal for tonight. Okay? If it takes a minute to get to here, that's fine. Okay, right? But I want you to at least be able to get this far. Okay, and what time is it? 11:30. I'm going to give you guys maybe 1 or 2 more questions, and then I'll write homework on the board. Okay? Okay, what are you planning about? It's math class. Of course it's homework. What is that plan? 17 or something? D. Yeah, I'll go for that one. Hey, boo. Who said boo? Nate, was that you again? It's me. You can't boo the questions. Did your parents come to the interviews this year, Nate? Did your parents come to the interviews this year? How many you want to, actually, before I start, do you want to go take off so that you're not? I'm going to pick on Owen Pryor. Owen Pryor,
Yeah.
can you show up your multiplication skills for me, please? Can you do the numerator?
Okay, it'd be 2 to the power of -8,
Good.
and then x to the power of -4,
Yeah.
and then y to the power of -6.
Good. Okay. Owen Cox, can you show off your multiplication skills, please?
X to the -4,
Yeah. Good. Okay. Here's the scary part. Does someone want to be brave right now? Kale, go ahead. X. Okay, let's just do it in slow motion there, okay? So 2 to the -8, what is x to the -4? So I have x to the -4 turn into? What does this turn into? Okay. Not just x, because x means x to the 1, okay, right? So you have to put the 0 in that. Okay, you have to. And this turns into y to the 0. Now, if you want to, you can just get rid of those things, okay? And just call them 1. You just go stroke them out. What do we do? Someone else, thank you, Phil. What do we do with that -8 to the -8? I want to call you Natalie, is that correct? Natalie, what do we do with that -8?
You can write it down.
Very good. So you can either call that x to the 0, y to the 0, over 2 to the 8, or 1 over 2 to the 8. Either one of those is okay. Why is it okay to write it as 1 over 2 to the 8? Over here, yes.
Because the exponent of 0 is always 1.
Very good. Okay. So we're good? Emma? Yes? Okay. I think I'm going to, do you guys want another one? Can I stop right now? Stop right now? What always ask students that? No one says more questions. No one ever says more questions. Okay, ever. All right. What I am going to put on the board is your homework for tonight. This will be a light dose. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to get more heavy duty because this is a heavy duty lesson. Okay. There's a lot of things to move off today. And I'll place at the back sandwich side. Take it all. Okay. But for other people, though, there's definitely some things going on today. Okay. So I'm going to write your homework on the board tonight. Okay. Your homework tonight is. sorry, go ahead. Page 127, number 7, 8, and 9. Now, the question, did you just leave the door open with our crutches?
Oh, three questions.
But of course, there's number A, B, C, D, E, F for each one, okay, or whatever. All right,
We're out.
now, before you guys get insulted by the textbook tonight, the textbook doesn't think you can solve different problems, so those will be simpler in the textbook, okay? Tomorrow I'll give you a little more heavy-duty ones to work on in class, okay? I expect you to be able to do this on your test. If this is the level I expect you to do, okay? So the textbook I don't think goes that deep, I don't think. I don't know the textbook, I guess I'll find you theirs. I'll go to textbook for some. Okay, for anyone that wants to get started on their homework, which I'm assuming is everyone. I'm going to write 7, A, B, C, and D on the board, okay? And if you want to do them, you can do them right now. If you want to wait until tonight, you can do them tonight. Okay? If you want to get started tonight. But don't get upset by how easy these things are. Now, don't be upset by how easy these questions are, okay? Don't be upset. No, you can just simplify it to be like whatever, whatever that turns into, okay? Like 5 to whatever, okay? Thank you, Connor. I should have texted you, but I don't know if I do that. Now, don't be insulted by these. Okay, I was one too. Now remember, we're back to homework check, and I can't remember what side I'm doing tomorrow. I think I'm doing this side tomorrow. No, I'm doing this side tomorrow. I'm doing this side tomorrow. Okay. Okay, the homework check. And I will hopefully remember to check someone's notebook too tomorrow, I hope, like for neatness, I'm hoping. I'm recording this still, so I can look in right here how disorganized I am.